Mr. Persian Vlog. Let's see how the weather is. I'm in shorts today, squinting like hell. Just did a brand new oil change. Oh man, it reeks. What Santa Clarita has to offer. Good day to ride. Oh, this is nice. Weather is beautiful. This fucking turn is bad, man. Alright. You know what I've been lately seeing? Bunch of Teslas in Santa Clarita Valley, man. Teslas get on my last nerves. I don't know why. Electric's cool and all, but I don't know, something about Teslas that piss me the F off. It's hot. No point of riding, it's hot. It was cool till I got into the sun. It's hot. It's definitely hot. Lately my throttle hand has been getting like super numb. I have to go get this checked out. So I don't know if it's age or carpal tunnel or whatever the hell it is. It's just been tiring me out. Oh, that's a baddie. That's a baddie. Baddie alert, baddie alert. Alright, let's see if we can find more baddies. I'm just testing out this new GoPro setup, to be honest with you guys. Trying to go fast, but I might open up down there a little. It's about a 3/4 of a mile, half a mile, I don't know the exact range, but it's a good little open area that we could open up. Santa Clarita, baby! Should we open up? Traffic is good.